Vanya
and Inaya.
and welcome to
Vanya and Inaya's Creative Corner.
So today we are doing
Who knows
Inaya better. So for that, Mama is also here with us because
Hi.
obviously we need a third party also, and she's going to help us with this challenge. And let's see, I think I know Inaya better more than you because I spent 24 hours with her.
I still want to take the challenge.
But still, I'm gonna win.
You will see, we'll see.
Okay, so we're gonna start, but before we get started, make sure to
like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you never miss any of our videos.
So let's get
Started.
Inaya has prepared some questions for us, and she's been hiding it since we've decided to do this challenge. And we tried a lot to see what has she written to get some answers and some clues from her, but she just
It
hid
was hard.
Yeah. So now Inaya is going to ask us some questions. We have got our papers and pens to write our answers down, and let's Inaya, the first
Okay,
question.
one thing that it is a special edition for Inaya's birthday.
Yeah, Inaya's
Which is
birthday.
approaching very, very soon.
In 4 days.
In 4 days, she's going to have a birthday celebration. So we will be sharing clips of that as well with you.
Yes.
So now let's do this challenge.
Ready?
So the first question is, what is my favorite food?
Inaya, this is so hard. You have so many favorite food. In like what category?
In
Healthy or junk?
Chinese.
Oh, Inaya.
Done.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Kung
Pao
Pao
chicken.
chicken and rice.
Yes.
And rice I've written, I should get an extra
No,
point
I'm not
for
even
that.
Kung Pao chicken is what she likes.
I have written rice.
Yeah, so
Again, see?
okay, so
So
I'm
the
gonna get
point goes to Vanya.
Okay.
Yes.
So here we have got records.
So the next question is, what is my favorite subject?
I know it.
Subject.
She tells me every single day, I hate this subject. I don't like the subject. 3,
2, 1, go.
English.
English.
They both are correct.
Yes. Finally. I'm able to open my khata.
The next question is, what is my favorite book?
Book.
Do I have to specify the series also?
No.
Okay, I've written
Okay. I don't know. But
3.
I'm just trying my luck. I don't know. Because she is not a very
bookkeepers.
booky person, so I wonder. She has read a couple of books though.
4 books.
This is Wikipedia. Oh, Wimpy sorry.
Wimpy Kid, I've also written Wimpy Kid.
Yes!
I know it!
Correct!
Wow!
So next is my favorite animal other than dogs.
You don't like dogs then?
Yeah, she's scared of dogs and she says she loves dogs.
She. I wonder who she likes. Which animal she likes.
What do you like? You've never even told me.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be unicorn because unicorn is not an animal.
I know. That's not my favorite.
Okay. We need to think. Siva, give us some hints.
No, don't give hint because then it's gonna be that now. She's very easy to give hint. She's only gonna give the answer only.
Okay.
Alright, I hope I'm right. 3, 2, 1, go. Panda.
I was a black panda.
It's a panda, not a black one.
Oh.
Yeah, so I will.
No. See, black he has already said. Black is always there in the panda. Black and white.
But it's not a black panda.
It is a greyish panda also, but then mind you, it's a dark grey blackish panda also there. I know, but then black is because she said this color. Okay, so I'm going to take that color.
I'll give the point
To both, what to mama? Means
to both.
Thank you.
Okay, next question is, what's my favorite video game?
Easy. I've written 3.
This I also know.
Yeah, because she keeps
I may know
asking.
the spelling. I may. I may not know the spelling right, so I will not show you, but I will tell
No,
you the name.
you have to say the name correct. Because I know you always say the name wrong.
Yes.
Okay, let me just recollect the right name. Okay. Try. It is Roblox. Yes! Am I correct?
Yes.
She always says road vlogs.
I wrote it wrong. But then I was actually thinking, see, write some XX there.
Next question is, what is my favorite band?
Oh my god, this is
Oh,
easy.
this is very easy because I also know it.
Because we keep singing the songs at top of our voice. 3,
2, 1, go.
One Direction.
Correct! Okay, next is, what are my favorite colors? There are 2 favorite colors, so you have to write both of them.
Done.
Done.
This I know because I buy her clothes with my for that.
3, 2, 1, go. Blue and purple.
Blue and purple.
Yes! On which Wimpy diary am I on?
This I've got real no idea.
I know the color. Okay, I remember the name.
Shamidan's face.
Blue
Old
color.
school.
Yes, one is correct. It's old school.
I don't like you, Anya.
What should I do?
So, now the next question is, what is my favorite day of the week?
Chill.
Don't see me.
You don't see me. I'm done
3,
already.
2, 1, go. Saturday.
It's a Sunday.
Sunday!
She loves holidays.
So
Sunday,
Saturday.
no teaching, no tuition, no nothing, no botheration.
But on Sunday she has to sleep early because next day is school.
No,
on
but
Saturday.
Sunday she sleeps for late, till late.
This is so bad, you know. She doesn't even know her own answers.
So next is, which is the 2 channels actually, which is the 2 channels I see the most?
Done. One channel.
Wait. I'm still thinking.
You can't write the girl channel.
And that is called something like आज सुबह बताया था ना तुमने Shani, Shawnee, something.
She was asking me, tell me something, na? Tell me. I don't want to lose that bad. Tell me the channel.
Okay, okay, one is Roblox. Okay, she loves
Roblox, the thing.
the videos, the YouTube thing.
No, but the channel's name you have to write. You can't just write Roblox.
Netflix, Roblox, she loves to. I don't know. I know this much only.
And I see you have to cut the points for this, okay? I'm
She
gonna-
watches. She said 2 programs that I love to watch. She watches Roblox videos that are there,
I'll give you for
and the Shane channel where the girl talks about everybody's recordings.
Okay,
Because
I'm
I see her
gonna
watching
do.
that.
I'm gonna do. First is I am Sana,
And that is. Sana, see, I have written Sana.
Mama, this is Sniper Wolf which you're talking about. And the next is Sniper Wolf. That is the girl recording one. And the Roblox one is I Am Sana. Which I don't like it. I'm watching and she just keeps watching it the whole day.
See, I told you, I see this.
Inaya, if you give her points, I'm just gonna go to the jail and...
Okay, I'll give both half marks of I Am Sana and Roblox because the second channel I most watch is Becca Zamolo.
Oh yeah!
What is the name of my stuffed toy?
Stuff toy.
And I keep changing the name. What should I do?
No, sometimes I call it its nickname.
Okay.
3,
you're showing it to her to ask. Oh, you're cheating, man.
I'm not. She's a
How
recorder.
could you cheat, yeah? How could you cheat, man? Just imagine.
I didn't.
Mama, just write yours.
I'm not cheating. See the recording. I'll just stop it and you see the recording. I'm not cheating.
I just saw you. Okay?
I was like this.
I believe my eyes more than what
Mama,
I see.
I was like this and then I was seeing it and I was like this.
Alright, I'm done.
3, 2, 1, go. Kuchipu.
It's Foxy.
Wrong!
It's Foxy, Miss Foxy, something.
Miss Fox.
I'm not able to believe that I
It's,
know her more than you.
it's Miss
I was
Fox.
really nervous, but I was really nervous that maybe this one I may lose to Vanya because Vanya spends more time with her than me because I'm in school and they're watching programs together. But I'm so happy to write a 0 here for Vanya.
Okay, next. Next is what is my favorite country?
Acha, this I know.
Why am I losing
It's
it?
like she's about to cry.
Yeah.
That she's losing.
Vanya, I'm done.
Done?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Singapore.
Singapore.
Correct.
You know, Vanya has promised me when she'll grow up, she will be taking me to Singapore and she'll settle down there. So that's a long-term plan. I'm just sharing with you right now because she loves Singapore.
She doesn't even know anything about Singapore and she loves Singapore.
Oh please,
Wow.
oh please.
Okay.
Don't be Jay so much.
I'm not
Oh my God, Vanya is getting Jay.
So, now, what is my favorite fruit?
Fruits, oh my God. This one nice.
10 out of 2 and if 1 is correct, give me a point.
No.
Yes.
I've written 3.
You can't write 3, that's cheating.
You can write any number.
Oh, you Abhi, isne kya bola? She said no, you can't write 2 and now Mama said I've written 3. Yeah, you can write any number. See, can you see the thingy between them?
She loves me. What do you? I mean, how can you be Jay about
Okay,
that?
Mama. Tell the answer first.
First is grapes. Second is orange. Third is watermelon.
Okay.
Mine is watermelon, mango. That's it.
Mango, I don't like that much now.
La la
I
la 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 la.
I like all the fruits that Mama wrote.
Because I get that from the market.
Mama, this is not fair. She's hitting.
Are we done?
Yes. And the overall winner is.
Wait. Let me just count and announce, please.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I am winning by 3 marks. Can you imagine?
Okay. I'll do.
I am super thrilled today. My day is made because I know my younger one more than my elder one.
I know her, she's written all the questions wrong. Means the answer.
You can't do that.
No,
okay? You
wait.
can't do that.
Wait.
Now she's lost it. So she's doing
Oh,
it.
yes, wait. She doesn't even watch Power Rangers. When is the last time you watched Power Rangers? Just
So
tell
that
me.
I also did know.
No.
That I also did not know.
No, but let me
I did not know
do
that.
it, na?
See, guys,
She
I did not
hasn't
know
watched Power Rangers in almost a year and she's saying
Because
that
there's
it's
more
her
of
that. See,
favorite.
it's her quiz. It is her quiz. She
And then
decides
the number
what she
of
wants to do.
and the number
Okay,
of fruits.
wait.
Did you see the pulti over here? And then everything. Oh my.
So, our overall winner is Mama.
Vanya is about to cry. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And our overall loser is Wanya.
This is not something to announce.
Chill, yeah, it's just a game.
I know that I know her better than you because these are all the questions she's written. The answers also wrong.
It's okay. It's her birthday. It's her quiz. And it's her answers.
Okay, so that's it for today's video.
If you like, please like,
subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells
so you never miss any of our videos.
Guys, you can wish her. You can wish her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You know, it's her 9th birthday, so you can wish her and bless her so that she can become a bright and intelligent girl, which I really wish she becomes.
So we'll meet you next Sunday.
Till then, bye.